Shorter term, I think a lot of people would also sympathize with Mr. Quinn, who says that any sort of breakup would have an adverse impact on the bank's credit rating, on the tax bill, and also operating costs over a 3 to 5 year period. So what I need to know from you is the Ping An side of the shareholding. What sort of offset plan would you have? I know your ultimate goal is for a breakup and for a spinoff, but do you have any plan to offset the direct impact the bank would be under in a 3 to 5 year period should the breakup go ahead?
Well, firstly, most of the minority shareholders is talking about return, the good return or good yield. So, of course, if they pay more dividends in the coming years and as soon as possible, then that will be one of the options that they can do it as a director, in the director board. They can make this kind of decision, and also HSBC has been undervalued for many years, so they should perform much better. As we reiterate that they should focus their profitable area, especially last 6 months in this year, they make even up to 68% income generated from Asia, and as well as from Hong Kong and China. So this is really obvious that they the region that they should focus, and also respect the retail minority shareholders. And one thing is, if they shift their they as a higher level management, HSBC, they should have a better skill on risk and compliance management to avoid the risk in the coming days. So if you look into the war in Europe or Russia or even in Ukraine, I think the CEO should highly consider to bring Hong Kong Bank, HSBC, back to Hong Kong as a headquarter. That's important because you need to have risk management. You see the war is happening, the inflation is so high in UK, or even the household not doing more, the mortgage is not doing good in state. So they have to do something as the board directors. So that's why we strongly support Ping An be part of be directors of the board and speak out on behalf of us. And one important, the most important thing is that will be have less affected by those political factors and the UK regulations last time, because no one knows the pandemic, what happened in the next wave.